Want to make realistic AI lip sync videos for free, even if you've never used an AI video tool before? In this video, I'll show you how to create one from scratch in just a few simple steps. First, open any browser and search for lipsync.video, then open the first website. Once the website is open, you'll see an upload video option right on the screen. Click on it and upload the video you want to add lip sync to. For the best results, use a video where the person's face is clearly visible. After your video is uploaded, scroll down a little and you'll see 3 different options for adding the voice: input text, record audio, and upload audio. You can type your dialogue directly, record your voice in real time, or upload an existing voiceover. For this example, I'm going with upload audio. Click on Upload Audio, then select Upload Audio up to 90 seconds and choose the audio file you want to use in your video. Once your audio is uploaded, quickly check that you've selected the correct video and voice. Then simply click on the Generate button. Now the AI will process your video and synchronize the character's lip movements with your audio automatically. Just wait a little while for the generation to finish. Once the lip sync video is ready, preview the result and check whether the mouth movements match the voice properly. If everything looks good, you're ready to download it. Simply click on the download button and save your final lip sync video to your device. And that's it! You can now use your AI lip sync video for YouTube, Instagram Reels, TikTok, presentations, or any other content where you want a talking character without recording new footage. The best part is that the whole process is beginner-friendly. Just upload your video, choose how you want to add the voice, generate the lip sync, and download your finished video.